Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will create an easy, cute, and stylish manicure for the fall season. We really think you can recreate these on your own too. Make sure you thoroughly prep nails to ensure adhesion and long-lasting wear. Push back cuticles and shape and buff nails, then clean with alcohol. You're now ready to proceed. For this video, we picked 3 GLAM powder shades. It's time to say goodbye to your summer nails and replace them with some autumn-inspired colors. Apply a coat of Step 2 Rossi base starting 3/4 onto the nail surface, stroking out towards the nail tip, avoiding getting the product on your cuticles. Carefully dip the nail into the jar. Here we use Supernova, which is a mesmerizing, temperature-reactive, color-changing shade. Next, we dipped the ring finger in Gold Digger, a warm gold glitter shade. Remember to dip your nail at a 45-degree angle. We used Fireplace on the pinky nail to match the color story. Wait a second for the base coat to dry and brush away the excess powder. Apply base coat to the entire nail. Repeat the dipping steps to create the strength and deepen the opacity of the color. We decided to layer a Gold Digger on top of Supernova on the middle finger. We love overlaying glitters with solid colors for a more captivating combination. When you're done with dipping, remember to brush off any excess powder from your nails and fingers. Apply activator to all the nails. Activator is what sets and cures the powder, seals it in, and later on prevents it from chipping and lifting. Lightly file and buff the nails to smooth them out. Apply 2 coats of Rossi top coat. When applying the Rossi top coat, the first layer should be applied using quick strokes. Wait for 20 to 30 seconds before applying the second coat. As always, keep your cuticles hydrated with our best-selling Rossi Nourish Cuticle Oil. We have 3 uniquely scented oils to choose from: honey peach, strawberry margarita, and fresh lemonade. Enjoy the fall season and switch between shades throughout the day without repainting your nails. Watch your nails change color as you wash your hands in warm or cold climate. Bonus, if you have longer nails, they will react to your body heat, leaving the tip of the nail darker. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what other types of videos you'd like to see from us next. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section.